Guess where I'm at? I'm in the back seat of my own Jeep.
And she misses four-wheeling and going on trails out in Colorado.
Are you guys taking? You
You
liars!
liars! So we're gonna take her off-roading, off-roading Minnesota style.
My sister, who used to be a Wrangler owner, and now she's regretting selling her Wrangler, so she had to drive mine. But I think she doesn't really miss it. I think she's just tricking me because they're going to go on the lake, right, Tina? Are you guys going to trick me?
No, we're going to Beaver Dam.
Beaver Dam! Woohoo! Oh my God. No, you liars. Liars! No!
There's a road up here we can take. We'll go off the road and we'll go off-roading. So Jeep Mama, this is off-roading Minnesota style. So here's off-roading Minnesota style. There's the road we're gonna go off-roading on.
We cannot go on a lake. You're waiting for this truck?
Yeah, I'm just waiting for the truck.
I knew you were lying. That's why you guys were whispering all the time.
Yeah, we were.
Freaking, I knew you were talking about me. Big liars.
See, we're gonna go over the little pile.
They lied to me. My sisters lied to me. We are going on a frozen lake and I do not like this. Are you sure it's not going to break?
I'm positive.
Come on now, are you sure?
Positive.
Okay, I don't know if you guys can see it. We're on a frickin' lake with my Jeep. I do not like this, Sam. I do not like being on a frozen lake.
Do you want to get out and stand on it?
No.
Yeah, she is.
No, I'm not going to get out and stand on it.
Well, we're going to get out. We're going to
go in our fish house.
Go to the fish house. So you're you have to get out.
Okay, bye, people. If you don't hear from me, I'm at the bottom of Lake German Lake.
Look at all the cracks, Tam.
Shut the fuck up. We are on a fucking lake. You're going too fast. Tracy, what if it cracks? Look there's cracks.
I know.
But you see videos of people going through the ice. Seriously, guys, this is really weird. I mean, we did this growing up.
Way on the west end. That's what
I think I saw it over there.
Yeah, he said I'm way on the west end.
Is he out here now?
No. Tammy, look at all the trucks on here.
I know, but
It's
more.
Probably about 18 inches.
That's it?
Yeah. Check when we get in the house.
Can you drive fast?
No, you can't drive.
If it starts,
if it
starts
does,
cracking,
yeah.
fucking haul ass.
Okay, I will.
But how do you know it's gonna crack? Oh my God, don't get too close to him either. What if we are too heavy?
Okay, she's out on the lake with her Jeep.
And I'm so properly dressed.
Okay, Tammy's gonna drive us off the lake now.
New terrain for this Jeep.
First time the Jeep's on ice. It's the frickin' snow. Okay, we're off-roading Minnesota style. No seat belts and window cracked.
The appropriate thing is if he's coming this way is you move because he's got a house.
Fish house etiquette or ice fishing etiquette 101 with Jeep Mama.
And then it's harder for him to go into the snow with that on than you.
And then do you like wave?
No.
You don't wave.
No.
There's no waving.
No.
Can I wave if I want?
If you feel like it,
Uh-huh.
but
I'm
I'm
gonna-
not. 'Cause
I'm
I don't
gonna
know this dude.
And you can wave, but he's not looking.
Yeah.
He's like, what the fuck was that about? I'm like, I'm in a Jeep. You wave. He was like purposely looking away. He didn't want to look at us.
He did not. He's like, what the hell are they doing?
Ice house etiquette, or fish house etiquette.
Now you're on the main road. That'll take you back. If you want to
So
go
is this-
four-wheeling, you could drive to our access, but Scott says you got to plow through it, so you might not want to.
You don't have to plow through it. This is a freaking Rubicon. You just slowly crawl. Is this Ice House Road? We're on Ice House Road, like Ice House truckers. I was Ice House trucking.
Just an FYI, see over there by that where that fish house is out by that island? Somebody did go through in a four-wheeler.
Today? I mean this year?
Yes, this year.
No way.
Because there was a fish house on it, and the guy was there for a long time, and then somebody drove over it and it was weak, and his four-wheeler went
Did he
through.
die?
No.
Oh.
He got out of there. It didn't sink.
Oh. Okay, that's the seatbelt lights. I'm like, that's their dinging, like you're getting too deep in the water. This thing.
No, see, so you can get out quick and break your windows
Right.
if you start to sink. That's why you don't have to keep your seatbelt on.
Ice fishing etiquette 101. Top 5 things you gotta do when you're ice fishing.
So was that fun?
Yeah, I thought I was gonna get a drink though.
You are. We'll get back to the house. I'll give you a
Let
drink.
go with the drink.